Hello, let's go solve a word problem, parabola word problem. A student council is organizing a trip to a rock concert. All proceeds from ticket sale will be donated to charity. The ticket to the concert costs $30 per person. If a minimum of 120 people attend, for every 10 extra people that attend, the price will decrease by $1.50 per person. So, decrease by this. What is the price of each ticket that maximizes the donation? What is the maximum donation? Okay, so we use letter statement. Let x be the number of price. See, look at here, price decrease. The number of price decrease. And we know that revenue is equal to price multiplied by the number of items that we sell. Or revenue is equal to, open two brackets, first one is price, and the price is $30. But the price decrease for every 10 extra people. So minus $1.5x, and the number is 120 plus 10x. Every 10 extra, price 1.5 decrease. And now we are going to foil it. So, and these two together. So R is 30 times 120, 3,600 minus 180x plus 300x minus 15 x to the power of 2. Simplify and write it in order. So R is equal to negative 15 x to the power of 2 plus 120x plus 3,600. So you see that this is the quadratic, this is a parabola quadratic because we have power x to the power of 2 here. And we know that this is concave down because this is a parabola. Parabola can be either like a sad face or happy face. Happy, sad. But because of this negative, a is negative, our parabola going to be like sad face, not this one. And in order to find vertex, which is maximum revenue, when you have a standard form, you know that the vertex is negative b x over 2a, and y you are going to calculate. We can calculate, and we know that this is a, this is b, and this is c. So it is negative b is negative 120 divided by 2a negative 30, which is equal to 4. So this x of vertex is 4. And y of vertex, we can plug 4 into the equation and calculate y. So the first part asks what is the price of each ticket that maximize donation. Anyway, we can calculate revenue here by plugging 4, or right now I'm reading the question. What is the price of ticket, each ticket that maximize revenue? So 4 that we calculated is x, and x is the number of price decreased. Original price was $30, and the original price was $30, and 4 is the number of price decrease. 4 times price decrease. Each time it decreased $1.50. So 4 times $1.50 is $6. So price decrease $6, or $6 price decrease. So original price was $30. So $30 minus $6 is equal to $24. this is the answer for what is the price of each ticket that maximize donation, and the price is $24. And what is the maximum donation? Maximum donation, look at here, if we put x and y, we know that this point is maximum 1, 2, 3, 4. So the graph going to xy like here. We know that I'm going to move this, x is 4, so I'm going to move this 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be somewhere like here, and right now we want to find the maximum donation. Maximum donation is this part. So just we need to put number 4 in, replace the subbit instead of x here. So write down the formula. We have, I'm going to rewrite it, r equal to negative 15x2 plus 120x plus 3600, and plug 4 here, 4, 4. We have revenue equal to negative 15, 4 to the power of 2 plus 120 times 4 plus 3600. 4 to the power of 2 is 16, 16 times 15, and calculate it. Let me calculate it. If you calculate it, the answer, the final answer is this, $3,840. So this is maximum revenue. It means that this point is 3,840, and this is 0.4. Okay, and this is 3,840. Good luck.